Imagine a singing class, wanting to follow your passion and to find your talent. But there are people telling advice that makes you question your entire existence. It can be a little bit overwhelming and you might not know where to start. Hello everyone, I am James T. Rolling of grade 7. Here to talk about how to follow your passion and how to find your talent. But first, let's answer the big question. What is talent? Well, it's quite simple. Talent is the thing you're good at, your main skill. That is a talent. In this world, everyone has a talent, even you. Some people know their talent, while others don't. Some people are also multi-talented, meaning they have more than one talent. But arguably, there's one thing more important than talent. And well, that's quite simple. It's passion. Passion, the thing you enjoy, what you keep coming back to do again and again. Your main hobby or interest has been your entire life. That is a passion. To understand how to find a talent and how to follow a passion, you must know about the people who use these to achieve success. But wait, why should you listen to me? A mere 7th grader who probably does not have any experience in this field at all. Well, it's quite the contrary. I do have a lot of experience compared to a child of my age. As a child, I was gifted with many talents, but I was unable to find my passion. I dabbled and tried many things, but I got stuck. But I never gave up, and eventually, in 6th grade, I found my talent. Well, my talent was GK. I used it to my advantage. I got many awards, prizes, attended many quizzes because of my talent. And so I achieved success. That's why I think I'm more than ready to talk about the people and how to teach about how to follow your passion. Let's begin with the stories. You may or may not heard Mr. Beast, but the thing, he's the most famous YouTuber on the entire planet. But he didn't start out this way. He started off small. Mr. Beast was okay with having a normal job before YouTube, but when YouTube came, there was just something about it that he was so mesmerized about. And against his fans' wishes, he dropped out of college to become a content creator full time. And it paid off for him in the biggest way. With over 300 million subscribers, billions of views, and a loving fan base, he is regarded as the most successful creator of all time. Next up, we have Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, if you know a thing or two about basketball, you may know him as one of the greatest players in the field. But if you looked at him a few decades ago, you may have not thought that. As a child, Michael Jordan had a knack for basketball. But when he went to the high school team, he got kicked out and was sent to the junior. Most people would have given up and moved on, but not Michael Jordan. He used it as an opportunity to grow and become even better than he ever was. And because of that, he got into the NBA and is regarded as one of the legends in basketball. Last but not least, we have Nelson Mandela, who is responsible for abolishing apartheid in South Africa. During his time, black people were treated and discriminated compared to the white. And so he initiated a protest. But he got arrested and sent to jail for over 27 years. Most people during that time would have given up or would have thought of revenge as soon as they came back. But not Nelson Mandela. He kept his cool, and after he got released, he worked hard and became the Prime Minister of South Africa, abolishing apartheid once and for all. Because of him and his passion, millions of people in South Africa can have a good life. Those were the stories I had to share. Now it's time for the most anticipated part of my speech. How to find your talent. I will share 5 simple methods on how to find your talent. Let's begin. First method is to use what resonates within your heart. Imagine you watched a show and you liked it really a lot. Thing is, whatever the show is about, maybe that is your passion. Next up, the brute force method. Check everything. Whenever you have time, you try out something new. You can create many memories and eventually you will find a talent, even if it takes a long. The third method is to use what you're good at. Imagine you're good in most subjects, but you're great at math. Maybe math is a talent. That's also another way. The fourth method is to find what problems you want to solve. This world is imperfect, from ongoing wars to poverty to your McDonald's order coming with cold fries. If you want to solve any one of these problems, the way you solve it might be your talent. Last but not least is to ask your family members and friends. According to me, this is one of the most important methods, as your family and your close friends know more things about it than the average human. They know your likes, dislikes, hobbies, and interests, and using that, they could pinpoint something. Who knows? Maybe they know your talent right now too. So yeah, those were the methods I had to share. There are a lot of benefits with following your passion and finding your talent. So let's begin. First is improved persistence. This means you'll be more stable and you'll more be determined to do whatever it takes to just practice it again and again. It's really a good characteristic of a human and can help you in so many situations. So I think following your passion can lead to this improved persistence, which can help you achieve greater success. Then we have improved stability and job productivity. You will be less prone to mood swings, which improves your productivity, which makes you earn more money, which makes you even more happy and more stable and slow. It's like a cycle that never ends until you reach the top. Last but not least, we have improved resilience. Improved resilience is quite simple. You are more adapted to take on the challenges that you might face while trying to follow your passion. It's quite simple too. Like you'll know what the tips and tricks to use, and you will use the opportunity to grow and become even better. So yeah, those are the benefits of following your passion or talent. Remember friends, many celebrities across this world haven't just picked a random thing. They worked hard and used their passion to achieve success. Remember, talent does not come just like that. It is a small sapling requiring enough care, nurture, hard work, and most importantly, practice. With enough of this, it can grow into a mighty tree. But if left alone, it will slowly rot away and fade from the face of the earth. Bob Ross once said, talent is a pursuit. Anything you're willing to practice, you can do. Thank you, and this is Jaden signing out.